students, welcome to Classes, your science hub for WAEC, NECO, GCSE, JAM and Everyday Understanding. Today, you will learn about a topic in chemistry, but before I unveil the topic in chemistry, what do you think methylated spirits and hand sanitizer has in common? They are all alkanols, right? So today, you will learn about alkanols. What are alkanols? Alkanols is a group of organic compound that contains a hydroxyl group. It forms a homologous series with the general molecular formula CnH2n+1OH. Okay? And there are three classes of alkanols. Classes of alkanols. One, we have the primary alkanol. The primary alkanol has one alkyl group attached to the carbon that carries the hydroxyl group. Primary alkanol. Primary alkanol. Okay. An example of the primary alkanol is the ethanol. The ethanol. Has one alkyl group attached to this carbon that carries this hydroxyl. And two, the secondary alkanol. The secondary alkanol has two alkyl groups attached to the carbon. Tertiary alkanol. The tertiary alkanol has three alkyl groups attached to the carbon that carries the hydroxyl group. Okay, let's see the structure. Okay, it has three alkyl groups. Now, if you have any questions on what I've taught so far, please don't fail. Please don't fail. So put down your comments on the comment section. Okay, put down your question on the comment section. So we have this two methyl. Okay, this is 2-methylpropane 2-O. So we're going to stop here for today. If you have any question regarding what I've taught, please don't fail to put down your question on the comment section, right? See you in my next class.